Howdy and hello, my name's Crazy Kyle and this is the Freestyle Lifestyle. Today we're heading over to work on Dustin's van.
Bro, what are you doing?
Can you see me?
I can see you.
Is it good light?
It's good light. What is that?
Shout out to Diamond Eye Performance. 4-inch turbo back exhaust for the van. 7 tree, super pumped. Super good deal. Think I got it through like a retailer, wholesaler, wheeler and dealer for under $300. So I'm super pumped. Aluminized. Gonna heat wrap the downpipe because it runs by the doghouse. Keep the heat out of there. And I don't know, you know what I mean? So shout out to Diamond Eye. Make sure to follow them and like their stuff and buy their stuff if you want to smoke them and stuff, you know. Pro tip, wear gloves when you do this shit. You want to pull tight, get a little moisture on there, give it a 50% overlap on each winding. We're gonna keep all those EGTs in the pipe and out the back. Pretty easy to install, just take your heat shield off and there should be one V-band and fucking stick this snake of a son of a bitch in there. Start pissing fumes. Shoot the moon. I think anyone would be able to tell if you had 2 left hands. Dude, life would be so different. Thumbs up. Oh shit, that would be fucked up.
Is that working or what? With those 2 left gloves?
Is this thing gonna be disgusting nasty? Yes. Back in.
You gotta see where those other brackets line up.
Warranty. 5018 on the outlet. This determines the placement of the You piece of shit, Frank.
Well,
This is not going on.
Yeah.
No, that doesn't line up.
that's so it pushes it.
Alright. Is this gonna work?
Yeah.
Yes, you do.
You're not putting any pressure on it, bud.
It's fucked up. I think they call it diamond because of how hard it is to install.
Hell yeah. Got some welding to do. 4 in the morning and we're just doing this. We don't have any welding wire. We just ate bagels.
Yeah, like you said, status update. 4 in the morning, we just got bagels from Western Bagel. They were alright.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good for not eating dinner. And the suspension is in the way for this, what is this? Diamond Eye Performance exhaust. So we gotta, we're gonna add a little extendo. Then we're gonna run it straight out the back. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Possibly.
Oh, but we only have a snip of welding wire.
Exactly. We might not have enough to weld them out for the back, so we might have to run the sides.
Might have to use zip ties. Super dialed in with the spacing now. Look at that, dude.
Dude,
So perfect.
yeah. Besides having like the complete junk welder that we completely ran out of wire, I think that was a pretty good decision on your end to fucking cut it.
We wanted to go center mount out the back, but this guy was lame.
It's gonna happen.
Sick. Is it louder?
Not really.
Okay.
A little bit like rumblier.
You can hear the turbo more, yeah. Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment.
Looks so weird on the screen.
And drink water.